Gus Schmidt, and I'm back with a new trading video. So today I'm going to be trading on the pocket option platform, trading OTC currency pairs. And so I'm going to be setting up three moving averages here. I've set up three moving averages. The first moving average is the 10 period EMA, exponential moving average, which is the white line. The second moving average will be the 50 period EMA, which is the green line. Okay. And the third moving average, I've set to 200 period SMA, simple moving average, and that is the red line. Okay. In addition to that, my candlesticks charts, I've set them to 15-second regular Japanese candles. And my trade timer to the right, I've set to 1 minute, M1, which are 60-second trades. So I'm going to be looking at 15-second candles while taking 60-second trades. All right, so let me pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on the USD RUB, which is the Russian ruble currency pair, OTC currency pair. And first step is I waited for the 10 EMA line, the white line, to cross the green 50 EMA line. In addition to that, what I waited for was the price to retrace back toward the 10 EMA line. So as soon as the wick of the candle here kind of almost touched, I took a trade, a buy trade, because I was expecting the price to respect the 10 EMA. So let's monitor this trade until it expires. And also the red 200 SMA is showing a slightly upward movement, a upward trend in the market. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for another trade. Okay, so I'm on the ZAR USD OTC pair, and similar to the previous trade, I look for that white 10 EMA line to cross the 50 EMA line first. Then it had a strong bullish movement happening, but then I waited for the retracement of the price back to the 10 EMA line, and then I took a trade in the upward direction. I took a buy trade. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, good. So we won that trade as well. Okay, so let me pause the video and look for another trade. Okay, so I'm on the USD MYR OTC currency pair. And first of all, I noticed the crossover of the white, the 10 EMA and the 50 EMA. Then, in addition to that, the 200 SMA is showing an upward bullish trend, overall trend in the market. And so I waited for the retracement of the price back to the 10 EMA line, and then I took a trade. I took a buy trade or a call trade. So let's monitor this trade. Okay, so we lost that trade. Not a problem. We're not going to win every trade. So let me pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm back here on the USD CLP OTC pair, and I just took a trade first watch for the crossover of the 10 and the 50 EMA, the 10 crossing the 50 EMA, the green line, and then I waited for the price to retrace back. See there, it's going down in a bearish trend, and then you wait for the price to retrace back. And I think I took two trades because I wanted to recover the loss on the previous trade. And so let's monitor this trade. Okay, so yeah, we won that trade and we were able to recover the loss of the previous trade. Okay, so let's move on to the next trade. Okay, so I'm on the USD BDT currency pair, and I just took a trade, a call trade, a buy trade. The uh, the SMA, the white line crossed the green line further, and then I waited for that retracement back to the. I waited for the price to retrace back to the 10 EMA line, and I took the buy trade. In addition to that, if you see the 200 SMA, the red line is showing a strong bullish trend in the market, overall trend. So I will wait for the results of this trade. Okay, so we won that trade. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I have links to the platform in the video comments and in the channel description. Thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt. Have a good one.